Sorry guys, I can't post part 2 because it got removed. I didn't remove it, but it said it failed. My video failed. So I can't do part 2 again. But I'm just gonna hop to part 3 so I could just continue it and pretend part 2 is there. So yeah guys, okay, let's continue part 3. Hi guys, sorry I couldn't post part 2. I'm gonna tell you why it couldn't post. That frog broke. Anyways, so I couldn't post it for some sort of reason because after I used the bathroom, it just, and then I opened my phone, it said, your video failed. Please check. And then I checked it, and then it said it got removed and it couldn't upload. So that's what happened. And then I got all the colors while thinking, and then look at this black, bro. This black one. I can't use the top of the black one. Anyways, oh my gosh, what was that? Yeah, for some reason something blue. Oh, it's the colors. I got it. I can touch them like I'm supposed to. What I'm supposed to do. I was trying to touch them with not pulling down, just this. Anyways, this is the colors for my calico cat. I use this third color, so for this orange, black, of course, calico has black, but this one won't work. This top one. You might say that it would work on finger. Look, on paper it wouldn't work. Gosh. Anyways, I'm kinda itchy. There's nothing biting me anyways. Okay. We're already 2 minutes in. Gosh, I kept yapping. Anyways, see you in part 3 because I kept yapping, and then I'm in part 4. I kept yapping. So yeah. So guys.